Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking restaurant Instagram post for your restaurant. If you are starting a new restaurant business or want to create a restaurant post for a client, you can create it in Canva. So the best part of Canva is that you can modify pre-made templates created by professionals. You can simply customize one without adjusting everything from scratch and create your own design. Create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type Restaurant Instagram Post. If you just type it, Canva will suggest the best options for you. Here are the Canva templates. Click See All to explore more options. You will see many choices, so you can scroll through them and explore whichever ones you like. You can customize any of them. For now, I'll go with this one. It looks good, and it's free as well, so I'll choose this one. You can explore the options and customize whichever template you prefer. Now click Customize this template. After that, you can see that you have access to everything you want to modify. For example, if you want to change the text, you will simply click on it, and now you are fully able to edit it. You can just add or remove text. To customize the text features, you can click on it. Here are the available text options and features. You can try them out and adjust your text. That covers the text options. Now, if you want to change the background, just click on it, and you can go to the background color. You can choose a color and change it like this. That covers the background. Now, if you want to change the color of this object, click on it and go to the color options and change it like this. You can change it as needed. Now, if you want to add elements like these, you just need to go to the Elements tab on the left side and search for any elements you would like to add to your template. If you want to replace the full image with your own uploaded image, go to Uploads. Upload your image from your computer. After uploading, your image will appear here. Basically, if you want to replace this image, which has no background, you need to upload an image without a background. You need to remove the background beforehand and upload the image here. If you have Canva Pro, you can remove the background here. However, if you are using the free version, you need to upload images with a transparent background. So I'll go with, let me add one. Maybe I'll add a full image from the Canva library. I'll go here and type chicken. However, you can upload it from your computer. Then go to photos like this. Maybe this one. I'll just drag and drop it here, and I'll remove the background. In the same way, you can drag and drop other images. Just make sure that you have uploaded a transparent image of the food. As you can see, I have edited the text and replaced the image. You can add anything you like, including your own details, information, images, branding, and colors. Once you are ready to export, check all the text, images, and other elements to make sure everything looks good. To export, rename your file, go to the Share option and select Download. Download it in any format you want. Just click Download, and your restaurant Instagram post is ready to publish. Thank you for watching.